Hello, my name is Trever Ball with Emerson, and I'm here today to talk about the Emerson E-Series Magnetic Flowmeter with Smart Meter Verification from Rosemount. One of the big challenges that users have with magnetic flow meters is that they are an inline device. So troubleshooting and verifying magnetic flow meter performance is very difficult, has extensive operating and maintenance costs, and can sometimes result in process shutdown. With Smart Meter Verification, the maintenance is simplified and you don't need to shut down the process. There are three key features that Smart Meter Verification brings to you as the user. First, the ability to have on-demand verification through the operator interface or through an AMS system makes it very simple, very easy to verify the meter. With this feature, you can go out, check the meter, verify the meter whenever you need to. Second, with meter verification continually running in the background, you have the capability for the meter to not only detect when there's a problem, but proactively alert you so that you can take necessary action before the situation creates a process upset. The last feature we have is for applications where there is an auditing process required, EPA regulated requirements, FDA regulated flow streams. You can have the ability to print out a certificate that you can file with the instrument file or turn into the auditor that is a manufacturer's verification certificate that says the meter is as accurate as the day it left the factory. The way meter verification works is that during the calibration process at the factory, we baseline all of the critical parameters that define the characteristics of that meter that explain how that calibration works to the flow measurement. We store those values and those characteristics in non-volatile memory inside the transmitter. And then when you run the on-demand meter verification or using the continuous smart meter verification capabilities in the background, it's remeasuring those same values and comparing them to those factory baseline values, checking for deviations. Those deviations can then be printed on that report to verify that the calibration of that device has not changed and has not shifted, giving you confidence in your flow measurement and confidence that the meter is performing as accurately as the day it left the factory. This helps save you time and money in maintenance costs and in troubleshooting costs, because now instead of spending days and weeks trying to figure out what's going on with that flow point, you can get answers in minutes. The other thing it will do is, because when you run this meter verification, it does not require you to take the meter offline, it helps improve your plant availability. So now you don't need to shut down your process in order to verify that the magnetic flow meter is working correctly. You get instant verification with deviation values, so you know that the meter is working the way it is supposed to and is as accurate as the day it left the factory. Let's take a look at how this meter verification technology looks inside of our AMS system and how it can benefit you as the user. Like we discussed, at the factory, baseline measurements are taken and stored in the non-volatile memory of the transmitter. With the on-demand system, the transmitter will go out and manually measure those same values and do a comparison of those diagnostic values, the measurements to the sensor signature, and it will populate a report that you can then use to file with the instrument file or submit to the auditor. The benefit of meter verification, of smart meter verification from Emerson, is that not only do you get to verify that the transmitter is functioning correctly, but it also does a complete verification of the primary element that is installed in your process piping. All of that is captured on this report, along with a block for a signature and a date, so that it is a formal report that you can submit to the auditor. With continuous meter verification, you again have the ability to tell the system what it is that you want to continually check. And this is operating in the background of the device without affecting the flow measurement or the primary output coming out of the transmitter. Those values and that configuration is also available to view. So not only do you get the last values from the on-demand system when you ran that, as well as the baseline values that are stored in the transmitter, but you can also see the continuous updating values from that background measurement. All of this capability allows the E-Series with Smart Meter Verification to detect and alert when you have a problem. If you want to see more information on the magnetic flow meters from Rosemount, I'd encourage you to go to EmersonProcess.com, click on Rosemount, Products, and E-Series Magnetic Flowmeters. There you will find much more information about the meter verification diagnostics as well as all of our other advanced diagnostics. Thank you for your time.